Aloha Zoology students, welcome to quarter 4. We are in our last quarter of this semester, this class. So we have this week and then 4 more weeks to go. So let's just jump into our kuleana this week. As you can see here on Monday, this is the last chance that you guys have to submit your invertebrates final quiz. So that was due last Friday. Because we had a thing like a senior luncheon again last Friday that was kind of sprung on me and I didn't know. I pushed this quiz to Monday for our in-person students. So distance learners, if you haven't submitted this yet, you have until the end of the day, till 2 p.m. on Monday to submit that, because right after that I'm submitting your guys' grades. So remember, that's 2 coloring pages and then that paper that was in the packet with you. So 3 pages that you have to submit photos of for the quiz. Also, starting this new quarter off, we have one more coloring packet for you guys to come and pick up. It's a lot less coloring pages this time, but it is available in the office for you now. So come pick that up at your earliest convenience. The first day that we have pages due is on Friday. Okay. So we're jumping into our last phylum that we're studying, which is phylum Chordata. So this is all of our vertebrates, all of our vertebrate animals that have a spinal cord, a backbone, a notochord. Okay. So it is our last phylum Chordata, but we're going to expand on it some more and look at the big classes within the phylum. There's 9 classes. So we're going to start with this intro ed puzzle on Monday, and then we have 3 kind of intro CK12 readings. These are a lot shorter and there's less questions on the quizzes. And then the first class that we're jumping into is our fish. So chapter 10 is fish. And then there's 2 coloring pages associated with chapter 10. So that's, pretty straightforward this week. I do want to take you to this class calendar so you guys can see it. Oops. Check out this class calendar here. Just to kind of get a glimpse of the rest of the quarter here. So you can go and you can see quarter 4, the whole calendar for the rest of the semester laid out on here. And I will tell you that something I forgot to mention is last Friday we were supposed to do a dissection in class, but we didn't end up doing that. Like I said, almost half the class was gone because the seniors were out at a luncheon that was really last minute planned. So I pushed this dissections to, let's go back to our calendar for the month. I pushed our dissections from that day until this day, Tuesday, May 4th. So this is next Tuesday. This date is not going to change, but I kind of thought, just doing one dissection would be kind of fast. So I want to do some comparative anatomy, looking at the dissection of 2 different, we have an invertebrate, we're going to look at an arthropod, and then we're going to look at an amphibian, which is a vertebrate. So, set this date in your calendars if you want to come. A lot of you that are juniors will already be on campus this day for your algebra end of course, or SBAC, your math SBAC. So that will be the same day that you're on campus already. So please come and join us if you can then. This date will not be changed, but I want to give us a little bit of intro to vertebrates first. And then, we're going to study fish, and then we're going to study amphibians. But if you see, you can look at the rest of the calendar. We basically only have a couple more chapters to get through, and, pretty mellow, pretty straightforward. You can get ahead if you want. Nothing too crazy or exciting. I haven't figured out what I want to do for you guys' final project yet, so stay tuned for that. It might be something on mammals, because we spend, the last week of school on mammals. So, stay tuned for that. For now, you just have the kuleana for this week, jumping into chapter 9 and 10. These are a lot shorter sections, like I said, and then the quizzes associated are shorter as well. So, come pick up your packet. Turn your quiz in by 2 p.m. today. I'll be submitting your quarter 3 grades this afternoon. Don't forget to do your attendance. And that's pretty much it. Check in with me if you have any questions or concerns or anything like that. If you need help, if you're worried about anything, okay? So reach out. The only way distance learning works is if we're in frequent communication with each other. So I need to hear from you if something is up, okay? Have a great day. Get some work done. Go for a walk. Make sure that you're moving and keeping yourself happy and productive. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Aloha.